Good morning, YouTube. I'm out here in the natures at the deep part right here in by the house. But look at it, beautiful natures out here. Feels so good out here, not hot, beautiful way. We got this rock. Saw the big tree up here. Yeah. Oh, this is so made.
Hey, you do a little tent right here.
Yeah,
But the park says not to.
so nice out here. Not hot. Look, so quiet. Look at the water steals.
Let's go to my spot because the water flows real fast and the water's moving over there. I want to go see it. Let's go show them.
Look at this. So beautiful. You see, you gotta go out here and enjoy life, man. Feel the fresh nature. Oh man. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at this. Stay healthy and feel the fresh of nature. We gotta go all the way down. Oh yes. This. Look all these beautiful rock out here, guys. Look at natural rock. You can hear the waters. Get the fresh waters. Hey baby.
It's so cold.
Feel the sound of the water. Look at the shape of the rock. Look at it. Look how the way they round looking. They have the name for the rock too. I don't know what kind of rock they call it. Let's look at this. Look at the save. It's so beautiful.
Kevin, the water's so cold.
Look at this thing right here. Look at the skin like snake. Okay guys, I'm gonna head back. So I've been out here all morning ready. Cardio at the gym, do some shoulder the gym. Come out here, do a little hiking. Feel good. Go home, get my food ready to work. You guys have a good day. Make sure you guys hit the likes, comment, share, subscribe my channel. If you guys like this kind of, cardio, gonna do more. Until next time, peace.